Hello students, the topic of the speech is Republic Day. Good morning everyone. Today we celebrate Republic Day, a day that marks the birth of our country's constitution. On this day, in 1950, India became a republic, which means we got the power to make our own laws and decisions. We also honor the great leaders who fought for our freedom and made this possible. Every year on Republic Day, we have a big parade in New Delhi where we see soldiers, dancers and beautiful floats representing different states. It reminds us of our country's unity and diversity. Let's all promise to respect our constitution and work together to make India a better place. Happy Republic Day to all. Jai Hind.
Don't forget to subscribe.